My name is Mohammad Ghayazul Haq. I'm an associate dental surgeon at Uday Omni Hospitals. In India, the most common diseases which affect gums and teeth are periodontitis, gingivitis. 85% of Indians suffer with periodontitis, and 65% of Indians suffer with tooth decay, which are dental caries. Problems like gingivitis, sensitivity, halitosis, which is bad breath, very common in India. People are not even aware of it. Key components are brushing twice a day minimum. That's a minimum. Flossing. Uses of mouthwashes. See, mouthwashes reach your tooth where brushes can't. Interdental areas. Using interdental brushes. Flossing of your teeth. You need to visit your dentist for a professional checkup and a professional cleanup. You need to use, if you're trying for home remedies, go for clove oil. Use of clove oil for your gums, which is healthy, even for your cavities, which is healthy. It is anti-cariogenic in nature, so it gives you best results for home remedies. Make sure you use less citrus food, which are acidic foods, more of alkaline foods, more like cheese, milk, less of acidic foods. No, say never to tobacco. No chewable tobaccos, no smoking tobacco. You should avoid chocolates, candies, anything which is sticky to begin with, anything which is acidic to begin with. Use more of alkaline foods. Use less of acidic foods, citrus foods, foods which are rich in calcium, like milk, cheese. In vegetables, use spinach, lettuce, broccoli. When you should consult a dentist, there are multiple factors, but when you must consult a dentist is when your teeth are moving, when there is subsequent pain, when there's mobility in teeth, when you see your jaws hurting, when you see your gums are bleeding, when you see you have sensitivity, when you see you have a bad breath, when you see you have dysfunction in your chewing ability, when you see you can't properly taste your food. There are multiple factors, but make sure when there is pain or when there is bleeding, do not miss your dentist. See, already as it is, India is a world capital for oral cancer. We are leading in oral cancer. We are not proud of it. We should start saying no to tobacco as much as we can, for ourselves, for the people around us, for the people related to us. See, oral hygiene represents your overall health. It's a face to your overall hygiene. Second, lack of proper oral hygiene will lead you to gum diseases, tooth diseases such as dental caries, and which will impair your ability to speak or to chew. In return, it will impair your ability of confidence.